So I'm at my buddy's shop here. Woofie owns this building, and he's letting me park Serotonin out here for a few days until I find a nice warm sunny place to go to. And he says tuck it up close to the building. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty close. He is the man. With NASA-like precision, threaded the needle. I'm pretty impressed with myself a little bit right now. He said keep it off the driveway, and Serotonin is parked. Some snow is coming in tonight, and it's not going to be a good time to be driving her. So until we find a warm sunny place to live the American dream, she's going to stay here for a minute. Let's go inside where it's warm. My humble abode. I keep looking over here, but the camera's actually up here. I got to get that figured out. I did install today, if I can get it out of here, my Eez Tire pressure monitor system. I still have to take the plastic wrap off of it, but I think this is going to work out really, really well. Super easy to put in, and just need to figure out the right PSIs and get it going from there. But another day, not today. Saturday, February 10th, Chicago. It looks like I'm winter camping. Not really. Actually, the rig is parked outside my buddy Woofie's place. He is gracious enough to let me have it out here for a little while until I find my first destination, and I was kind of hoping to find a spot by now. I really want to go out and see my son Nick in Boulder. But needless to say, this shit we just got is actually snarling it. Got about 10 inches, a foot-ish of snow yesterday. So I'm just out here hanging out, making sure none of the water lines are frozen and the furnace is still on, and thanks to Dan, he's letting me use a little bit of his power, his 110, to keep things tidy and warm. The thing just sips propane, which I'm surprised. I was going to put a space heater in here, but it was popping a fuse before, so I just leave the furnace on low, and it's on 55 degrees, and it's plenty to keep all the lines from freezing. You know, these big Class A's actually have furnace ducts that go into all of the compartments and drawers and areas where there's water lines and things like that. So as the furnace runs, it actually keeps all that pretty warm. I am still on the hunt for a couch, so I need to do that. This is my Blue Ox Patriot 2 braking system that I got off of Craigslist. I got the top of the line Blue Ox Patriot 2 or Blue Ox tow bar, all of the connectors, everything, and this Blue Ox Patriot braking system, all for $400 off of Craigslist. So just that braking system alone is over $1,000. So I will tell you, there are deals to be had, and you just need a buddy like I have, K-Mac, who is a deal finding sleuth. You put K-Mac on something and there's a deal to be had that's close to you, that guy's gonna find it. This Patriot braking system and the tow bar, I think they were used once or twice, and I probably saved $1,500 by buying them both together. Can't beat it. From the same guy too. So other than that, I just came out here to get things sparked up and check them out and make sure everything's working well. Let's take a little tour as we go to the back. I feel like I need to duck there, but I really don't. Everything's looking pretty good. The bedroom. Took down the blinds the other day to get them cleaned up. There's the new TV. As you know, there was a old heavy ass tube TV in there. Same in the front. And my son Andrew and I took it down. We put an articulating arm back there. We got it bolted in. And I don't really want to touch it. So if I want to get to this, I can still access that. And it looks good. And it works fantastic. So if I'm laying here in bed and I want to watch TV, boom goes the dynamite. Anyway, it is crappy out there. But it is warm and cozy in here. I mean, it feels good. There's the building. My rhinos, they all stay put when I'm driving. Have yet to fall off. Got a few hundred miles with those things, not going anywhere. Changed out all my bulbs to LEDs. Took these fixtures that were gold and I painted them black, along with the soap dispenser that I will never use. But just wanted to give a little update of me doing absolutely nothing and going absolutely nowhere. So I may have just wasted 5 minutes of your time, but they're going to get exciting after this because I'm going to find some kick-ass places to go to, and the adventure is soon to start. Next upgrade, get ready. The entertainment system. This place is going to sound like a friggin' rock concert. I put I put 4 6x9s on my Harley with 2 6-inch up front, all Polk audios, put an amp in it, and the thing just rocks. And I'm considering doing the exact same setup in the rig, and it will be ridiculous when I get it set up. I'll definitely walk you all through it and show you what I did. So I started up Serotonin, and it made I gotta learn how to point better. But anyway, it made a big snow booger hole. And that's about it. There's that Blue Ox. It's like the Aventa, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but the tow bar. I got a cover for it off of eBay and Amazon. And when I say eBay and Amazon, I mean both, because I was like in an Amazon buying frenzy and I ended up buying 2 of them. So lucky enough, they were nice enough to take one back and completely refund my money, and I just had to pop a couple dollars to send it back. I'm gonna get the back of that thing, and it's gonna have a wicked ass wrap on it too. I got plans for that. That'll be a big surprise, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. Hopefully my license plate comes in pretty soon. I got a vanity plate I'm excited to show everybody. And other than that, I am done here for the day, and I hope you have an amazing one. Bye.